everyone, welcome back to Crocheted by Marley. Please excuse my appearance in today's video. I'm not feeling my best, but I realized I haven't filmed a video in a really long time, and I wanted to hop on here and just show you guys what I've been working on while I've been sick. Yeah, I don't really know what's going on with me. I had like a stomach flu kind of thing last week, and then I felt much better, but I woke up this morning with this pounding headache and I don't feel 100%. So if my energy levels are a little low in today's video, I'm super sorry, but that is why. So what have I been working on the last week and a half? Well, as you can see from what I'm wearing, I finished my Hexagon cardigan. I added some cuffs. It's super cute, very warm, and super comfortable. Stand up a little bit. Yeah, it's super cute, super comfortable, very warm. You would think it like wouldn't be too warm because it has like holes in it, but no, it's toasty under here. Yeah, the pattern was super simple to follow. I talked about it in my last video when it was just a little hexagon. I used a free YouTube tutorial to make this cardigan, so I will put the link in the description down below. It was a super easy tutorial to follow. It's pretty straightforward. You would think like a cardigan is hard to make, but like this one wasn't too hard. So 2 thumbs up from me. But yeah, I really like it. I'm making one for my mom right now. She wanted one in all black. I finished the first half of it. There's the cuff, the sleeve, and the body. I just gotta finish the other half. When she tried this one on, she said that the arms were too big and baggy for her. I like it that way, but they were too big for her. So I made her one that was a little smaller and tighter around the arm. And that's the first half, and now I'm working on the second hexagon. And it's so funny. It's so funny because like as I'm working on hexagons, I will fold it to make sure that the shape is still there. But look how tiny this is. Like this could fit a baby. That's so cute. Speaking of babies, I also made a little baby dress for my pen pal whose granddaughter was just born. If you watch my last video, that's the person I made the Princess Leia for. She asked me to make a baby dress and a headband. I'll insert the picture on the screen now. I actually used a free tutorial I found online for that baby dress, so I will link that down below as well. And the headband was just a bunch of YouTube videos, and I will link everything I used in the description as always. I actually worked with weight 3 yarn for the first time, like a baby soft yarn. And it was so soft, like it was thin, so it was a little annoying at times because I'm not used to the thinness of it, but it was just so soft to work with, and the dress was so soft. Like I wanted to like use that yarn and make an adult size dress that looked just like it. All right, we have a little bit of a costume change because I also finished my Luna cardigan. Let me get up and show you. Woo! Super comfortable, just like the other one. And very cute. I love the checkered squares. I love the color scheme I chose, the neutral browns. I think it'll match a lot more of my clothing compared to the purple one I made. I didn't have brown buttons, so I went with a white button, you know, for the buttons. But I think it looks fine because the white's right there. So yeah, this is the Luna cardigan by Mrs. Moon in Heaven. I will, you guessed it, link it down below. This is a paid pattern. There's no free YouTube tutorial or anything. But I genuinely 100 wholeheartedly believe that the pattern is worth every penny. It is super in depth. There's pictures. It explains everything. It's a great pattern. The pattern originally states like to have the ribbing and the cuffs be the same color and then do different colors for the sleeves. I ended up just doing solid sleeves. And I think I like the way it looks because on my purple one I did like cuffs and ribbing the same color and then 2 different colors on the sleeves. But I was able to work up the sleeves much faster by just doing 1 solid color, so I'm happy with it. I am so sick. I'm almost done though. Last but not least, just to finish up this quick little update video for you guys, I I'm actually 2 days behind on my mood blanket because I haven't been feeling great at night and not really in the mood to work on it. But this is what we're looking like. My last smooth that I did was happy, which is awesome. I love that bright pink. It represents so much goodness for me. 2 nights ago I was emotional, which is that blue, that lighter blue color. And then last night I was chill, which is that raspberry color. So just imagine that they're there. But yeah, I've been doing single crochets for the month of February just because my blanket was going to be too long if I did half double crochets for every single day. But I don't think it's too noticeable. And even if it is, who cares? It's my blanket. It's just going to be in my room. But yes, that's what I've been working on the last week and a half or so since I haven't been feeling great. Future projects, I want to make, my pen pal requested a Hello Kitty doll, so I'm going to try to work on that after I finish my mom's cardigan. And I might honestly make another hexagon cardigan, but like different colors. I was thinking of doing like red, then black, then orange, then black, then yellow, then black, and so on and so forth. I think that'd be really cute, like vibrant colors to make it like really pop, especially against the black. Let me know what you think about that in the comments down below. And also let me know, is this cardigan your favorite, or do you like the gray hexagon cardigan more? Which one is your personal favorite? If I had to pick one, it'd be close, but I think I'd pick the Luna. I think it just has more character to it. Although this one is very soft and comfortable. This one's a little more stiff because of the yarn I used. But I don't know, something about the checkered boxes and it's just so cute. It's like preppy and comfy, and I can't believe I made it. But while you're down there commenting which sweater is your favorite, make sure to give this video a like and hit that subscribe button. I'm gonna post more often, I promise. I've just been sick lately and not really feeling up to recording. But thank you so much for watching. I love you all and have a fantastic day. Bye!